No, I'm about to take your picture. Do it.
I'll do the weed whacker. I'm gonna try. Oh, I fell. It was starting like. I think I need a drink. Yeah. Oh, my face feels so weird. It feels weird. I know you're recording me, Dad, because if you weren't, you wouldn't be following me with the camera.
You're such a genius. Say something smart for the camera.
I'm a genius.
Say something smarter before I put this on YouTube.